Hello, this is Dr. Richard Davidson back for another discussion in chiropractic care. This week's topic is the benefit of the chiropractic adjustment to the muscular-skeletal system. And by muscular-skeletal, we mean the spine and its relationship to the surrounding muscles. Looking at the smaller model of the vertebrae, we see the ability of the spine to move freely in multiple directions. But when the vertebrae gets stuck or restricted due to trauma or repetitive stress, the muscles in the immediate area become shortened and tightened in an effort to protect the injured joint. The adjustment helps restore the joint to proper alignment and thus releases the tightened muscle. Let's look at this in a real-life situation. This is a patient with limited range of motion due to tightness in their back. Now the same patient after our standard treatment of massage therapy, physiotherapy, and chiropractic care. Look at the difference in the range of motion. This is an example of using hands-on, holistic chiropractic care to naturally treat muscular-skeletal conditions without drugs or surgery. If you're interested in learning more, visit our website at westfamchiro.com and fill out our new patient form or call us at 914-346-5200. Thank you. Have a great day.